So guys, what we're going to be showing you today is going to be a really awesome drink. It's going to be making just with these 3 ingredients you see right here. Hey everyone, welcome to Drunk Words, Drunk Thoughts. I'm your host Ray.
And this is Max.
We're going to be showing you how to make this the summer vacation. Alright, cheers man.
Cheers.
Pretty good.
Nice.
Pretty good.
Okay, so step 1, we're gonna add some ice to this. I mean, the amount is really up to you. We're gonna try to just have it cold, not too much anyway. It just has been chilling on the fridge. So.
All right, what's next?
Step 2, we're gonna be using the cranberry. So we're using a cup, 250 milliliters.
Fuck, I'm not as good at bartending as you.
That's what happens. That's what happens. He's the one that was working at bars too. He's saying that. Okay. Okay. So the next step, we're gonna be using same measurements, but for the pineapple. So again, 250 milliliters or 1 cup.
Okay.
I'm sure that will show it too. It's like hiding behind the bottle.
Well, I mean, they trust us, right?
Yeah.
They're viewers.
Fair enough. All right. And obviously, it wouldn't be a drink unless we add alcohol to it. So 2 ounces of the malibu. Yeah.
Gonna top it off with a little bit of ice.
More ice. I like it cold.
And there you have it.
Pretty good.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm Ray.
This is Max.
And this has been Drunk Words, Drunk Thoughts. Don't forget to like, leave a comment for a great summer drink that you'd love us to show you how to make. We'll put it together for you.
Yep.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And what do we do to the bell?
We hit the bell.
We hit the bell. Thanks so much guys for watching. Cheers.
Cheers.